We have the oskomoro like this. This is a famous portion in Istanbul, like a hamsi.
So we have in Eminönü a lot of fish.
Yes.
There
أرمينيا
No, I'm from Morocco actually.
موروكو
Uh-huh.
مرحبا كيف حال؟
I'm good. كيف
أهلا
حالك?
وسهلا الحمد لله.
So as you see, people here, they speak every language. Like what you speak, I speak.
They are all from the Bosphorus.
So you took this from this scene here?
Not from here, from the Bosphorus.
Oh, that's really great. So as like people from China, from Korea, from all over the world come to this place. Wow. You should definitely come.
Yes, of course. It's on YouTube.
Yeah,
Hello, welcome to Istanbul. Delicious food in Mashhur Eminönü balık.
Whether you're here for shopping, sightseeing, or just walking around, Eminönü has something for everyone. Fruits in here.
We do have kebab sauce as well.
So they're having kebab also.
Iskender kebab.
That's really great. I see here like
It's fish restaurant, okay? You want a sandwich? We have fish, meat, chicken, shrimps, seafood.
we've just arrived in Eminönü. We are in Eminönü, one of the busiest and most iconic areas in Istanbul. Whether you're here for shopping, sightseeing, or just walking around, Eminönü has something for everyone. As you see, people are offering the menus for everyone to see and to look and to eat. They're very friendly. Everyone's eating, everyone's saying hi. As you see, they're very kind, very warm. As you see the menu in here, the prices is really cheap.
Free service free.
You speak English?
Yes, I do.
Okay. 1 minute? Just
Okay,
1 minute?
of course. So guys, as you see, they're very kind. They're offering a menu.
Yes, of course. It's on YouTube.
Yeah,
Hello, welcome to Istanbul. Delicious food in Mashhur Eminönü balık. We have a sandwich like this. This is chicken bread. We have. We are help you for free.
Okay. So as you see, guys, people here are doing the publication, actually, a publicity.
Yes, of course.
People here are very warm.
Yes. We have the oskomoro like this. This is a famous portion in Istanbul, like a hamsi.
So we have in Eminönü a lot of fish.
Yes.
They're having a lot of type of food, actually,
Like-
especially the fish.
Like fish, like a meat, like a chicken, like a pasta, like a pizza.
So guys,
anything.
I recommend to come to Eminönü because it's a really good place and people here
Yes.
are very kind, as you
Yes,
see.
Of course.
They're
Because
showing us the menu and
food,
explaining.
after food, we have baklava, Turkish, and tea free.
Oh, really?
Yes,
That's
of course,
great.
Yes, and
That's
good
really
service
great.
here. Good, delicious, sir. You can see, you can try.
Thank you so much. Your English is very good, by the way.
Anyway,
Everyone's speaking English in here. You cannot find any difficulties in speaking the language.
4 language I speak.
You speak 4 language. Thank you so much.
Adios, adios.
Thank you. Like people from China, from Korea, from all over the world come to this place. Wow. You should definitely come. I recommend this place 100%. You should definitely come, guys. As you see, people are very warm. That's really great. Do you speak English? What's on the menu? Do you have just fish in here? Or do you have like other foods in here?
We do have kebab sauce as well.
So they're having kebab also?
Iskender kebab.
That's really great.
Also fish.
I see here like nationalities, like for what exactly?
Nationality for what?
Like the food, is it from Saudi Arabia, Spain,
No,
Italia,
this is the language.
Russian?
They are all from the Turkey.
Oh, that's
They're from the
great.
Bosphorus.
That's great.
Yeah, also we have fresh fish there.
Oh, as you see, there's a lot of tourists in here. They're eating. They're very warm.
Let me show you the fresh fish.
So he's saying, guys, he's gonna show us the fresh fish. As you can see, it's really fresh. Actually, it's organic.
Yeah, of course, they are all from the Bosphorus.
So you took this from this scene here?
Not from here, from the Bosphorus.
Oh, that's really great. So as you see, the fish here are very good and natural.
If you don't like, don't pay. This is our guarantee.
If you don't like, don't pay. Thank you so much. Thank you. We will after.
After, then I will give you a business card.
Thank you so much. You're very kind. Thank you. I really love this place in here. Like, also the people are very kind, very cheerful.
This is our business card. So you can find us easily.
Thank you.
Evet, merhabalar, hoş geldiniz. Buyurun. Bir bakın abi menümüze. Türkiye.
Thank you.
İran, İrani. Where are you from? Excuse me, can let me show you menu. Excuse me. Where are you from? Romania.
No, I'm from Morocco actually.
Morocco.
Uh-huh.
مرحبا كيف حال؟
I'm good. كيف
أهلا
حالك?
وسهلا. الحمد لله.
So as you see, people here, they speak every language. Like what you speak, I speak.
حريرة كاينة.
حريرة كاينة. So he's speaking Moroccan now. Good.
تاكلون. Nereye? Bilmiyorum abla içeriye bak bir. Arkadaş kaç kişi?
Thank you so much. Thank
Tamam
you.
kaç kişi? Excuse me, sorry. I'm sorry. What do you like, fish or meat? شو تحبون الحوت اللحم؟
Oh, we're speaking English here, like so
Okay.
that people can understand.
Okay. Social media? What?
What?
How many follow?
So like we're just exploring and to see, like to tell people to come to visit Eminönü actually.
Okay.
So
right.
as you see the menu in here, it has a lot of food.
Okay, you can check
As I
Yunus
say-
Balık, best of the best restaurant. It's fish restaurant, okay? You want a sandwich? We have fish, meat, chicken, shrimps, seafood. I can help you for that. They give a nice discount.
Thank you so much. Thank you.